spacious living and dining area. So basically this is rectangular living and dining area. So here you can have a look at the kitchen work. Check out the bedroom space with the... Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Today we are here at TVS Udhyana Phase 3 project, which is located near Medabakam, Vingavasil, Chennai, and this project is developed by TVS Emerald. And today we are here to check out their 3 BHK model flat. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So this is the model flat where you can check out the model flat as well, and about the land parcel. So this side is the land parcel over here where the construction work is started, and about the sales office is just behind over here in 200 meters. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform, where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry, because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now about the project overview. So this phase 3 is going to be developed in 1.61 acres with 2 towers, and this tower will be of stilt plus 5 floors, having 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residencies. Now about the amenities part. So this project provides you luxurious amenities like of 10,000 square feet of clubhouse, which includes swimming pool, gymnasium, indoor game, and other amenities like of garden area, kids play area, and many more. Additionally, this project provides you 62% of open space. Now about the location part. So as mentioned, this project is located exactly near Medabakam in Chennai. So let me show you that this road just behind me will connect you towards Medabakam main road in Chennai. Now about the further connectivity of the project. So you can connect to Medabakam Lake in just 300 meters from the project. Tambaram railway station is 8 kilometers away and 13 kilometers from the Chennai airport. So now let's have a look at your 3 BHK of 1587 square feet super built up area. So here we go. This is the main entrance, and from here you are going to enter towards your beautiful and spacious living and dining area. So basically this is rectangular living and dining area. So this part of the house is the living area where you can set your sofa set with the TV unit. So here they have divided the living and dining area with this wall and this part. So you can set your dining table over here like this. With the dining area, they have provided you with the balcony. So a cute little balcony with anti-skid tiles, and this balcony will be 3-side covered. Now with the easy access to the dining area, they have provided with the kitchen area. So over this side is the kitchen area. So here you can have a look at the kitchen work that they have done with the platforms, the cabinets. Here they have provided a small window for the ventilation purpose in the kitchen area, and this is the utility area, which is divided with a tile rope, and here they have given the anti-skid tiles and one window as well in the utility area. Now about the bedroom space. So this side is your bedroom number 1. Once you enter, you can check out the bedroom space with the bed space, a window that they are providing for ventilation and lighting purpose, and this side is the wardrobe space. Now just exactly outside this bedroom, here is the common washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now your kids' bedroom is on the other side. So crossing your dining area, this side is the kids' bedroom. So you can check out the work, the beautiful work that is done in this bedroom with the bed space, the wardrobe space, the study table that they have put in. Here is the window. So this half even you can do the work, the interior work. Now about the washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now before moving to the master bedroom, let me tell you what all features Housey is here with. So Housey is here with the actual location tour with such sample flat videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features under Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? So register for free and schedule your free site visit. Now just follow me and we'll be moving further towards your master bedroom. So your master bedroom is just beside your kid's bedroom. And here is the entrance. So once you enter, you can check out there is a small lobby space for the privacy purpose, and here is a beautiful space with the huge bed space, the wardrobe space, and even they have added up a chair and a table for the workspace, and a cute little balcony that is a sit out area this side with anti-skid tiles, and this balcony is also 3-side covered with half wall and iron railing as well. Now about the washroom. Yes, so your washroom is over here. So this is the washroom area over this side. Let's have a look at the washroom area. So here they have provided with the anti-skid tiles, CP sanitary fitting and the shower glass partition as well. So this was all about your 3 BHK in this project. How was it? Do let me know in the comment section. And as you all know, we are here at TVS Emerald project. Have you checked another project with this builder? If yes, and again let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking for more details of this project, all is mentioned in the I button. And lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.